I pray my children, they will be strong. They'll dance forever, will live long. They'll be peacemakers, they wash their faces. They will show mercy, they will show grace. Yahweh, Yahweh, I told you this, but the name that we had originally was Matosin. I think you heard that. And sometimes it's spelled Matoxin. Again, when I found that name, I'm not going to change my name. I don't have to. But I'm living it now, and I love this stone tree thing. Yahweh Matosin, our heart always stand, just like a stone tree. Deep in this land, just like a stone tree, deep in this land. Yahweh, 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 Yahweh. I will pray for my children. I will pray for this earth. I will pray for my children. I will pray for this earth. I will pray for my children. I will pray for this earth. I will pray. I will pray. I will pray. Hey, God. I pray my children, they will be strong. Dance forever, they will live long. They'll be peacemakers in wars and peace. They will show mercy, mercy. They will show